All right, so let's start number 3 over again. So if we consider, where is 5 pi over 3 on the unit circle? Well, if we consider that we have 0, pi over 2, pi, and 3 pi over 2, okay? Well, 5 pi over 3 is actually going to be all the way around here in quadrant 4. So going all the way around here, this is 5 pi over 3. So remember when I told you that those special right triangles, they are kind of the core of what we need here, all right? So if I create a right triangle here and I have some little angle theta here, oh, and I actually need to take out just a piece of this. There we go. Okay. So I have this little angle theta in here. This little angle theta, okay, is actually pi over 3. So when we consider our special right triangles, okay, we have our pi over 6, which is our 30, and our pi over 3, which is our 60. So we can convert those. And recall that the side lengths for a 30, 60, 90 triangle, the short side is 1, hypotenuse is 2, and long side is root 3. So in the fourth quadrant, only cosine is positive. Everything else is negative. Okay? So that means that the sine of 5 pi over 3, okay? Well, what's the sine of pi over 3? So the sine of pi over 3 is going to be root 3 over 2, but we're in fourth quadrant, so this has to be negative. Now for the secant of 5 pi over 3, that's going to be the same as 1 over the cosine of 5 pi over 3. Well, what is the cosine of 5 pi over 3? Well, it is the same as the cosine of pi over 3, which is 1/2. So the secant of 5 pi over 3 is going to be positive 2. Now let's take a look at negative 5 pi over 6. So again, we need to determine where negative 5 pi over 6 is. And recall, if we have a negative angle, we're going clockwise. So we have 0, we have negative pi over 2, we have negative pi, and we have negative 3 pi over 2. So negative 5 pi over 6 is almost before we get to pi. So going this way, that is our negative 5 pi over 6. And again, we can consider making ourselves a little right triangle here. And this little theta in here is going to be pi over 6. Now, again, we want to consider our special right triangle, right? Okay, so we have our pi over 6 and our pi over 3. for our 30 and our 60. And recall again that the side lengths, 1 for the short side, 2 for the hypotenuse, and √3 for the long side. And also in third quadrant, because we are in quadrant 3, only tangent is positive. So cosine is going to be negative. Okay? So the cosine of negative 5 pi over 6. Well, first of all, what is the cosine of pi over 6? So since the cosine of pi over 6 is 1/2, that's going to be very close for negative 5 pi over 6, but since we're in quadrant 3, it's going to be negative 1/2. Now, if we think about tangent of negative 5 pi over 6, okay? Well, tangent, remember, is sine over cosine. So we can look at it this way. The sine of negative 5 pi over 6 over the cosine of negative 5 pi over 6. Well, the sine of negative 5 pi over 6 is going to be negative √3 over 2. And the cosine is going to be negative 1/2. So when we simplify that, what do we get? We get that the tangent of negative 5 pi over 6 is the square root of 3. Please let me know what additional questions you have. We will be practicing more of this on a classwork later this week, and I hope to see you all soon. Thank you.